Hello everyone, it's Rita here, and I am ready to share my finished journal, Autumn Folk, which was a digital by Joey Cardmaker. Now, if you watch some of the previous videos, you'll see a little bit of a change here. I had a clip that went over here, but I kind of overstuffed the journal, so that meant that it wouldn't hold it closed. So I just left it this way and tied a ribbon around to close it. Yeah, it didn't work the way I anticipated it, but that is sometimes how it is. So this is the flap that goes over here like this, and I put corners on here so it's a better, more secure edge there. And this is the cover, and then here I tied in signatures, and then this is the back. So to start opening the folio, it's a journal and folio. So this side is the folio side, and here's a little, this is the clip I originally used, but it didn't work there, so I moved it. And then in here is a little journal card that I've sewn and around. This was the cutest little pocket, and then I liked how that worked on that. So that goes there. Here's a couple little charms. You could take those off or you can leave them on. It's up to you. I hope I'm in screen. They're not the best. They did come out with a little bit of bubbles, but I went ahead and sent it along with this journal. So here is a journaling page. Here's I didn't put anything. This is so you can actually write something right there if you want to. This is a tag, and then there's a little spot here that you could tuck something in, which I don't have anything handy. I had a few leftovers, so I might take one of those and put in there. And then on the back, there's plenty of journaling room, and that fits in this little pocket, like that. And then on this side, I have two little pockets here with journaling cards, and those right here. And then this is the first page of the journal. I'm sorry. And this was heavier, but it's the way I made the pocket. Then here we have another little journaling spot, and I put this is from a window from a junk mail envelope, little collage. And then there's journaling space here. There's a little notebook journaling spot here, and there's some journaling page there, and here, and here. And I don't know if you want to, you could probably journal on that, maybe over on the side or something, and then the back. And then we have this page, and there's journaling on that side. You can add more ephemera. I'm going to send a few things that I have left, but you can put your own photographs or your, a fall picture of the kids out in the yard, whatever. I was getting it so full that I couldn't add any more to it. This is a vintage book page. This is, it's September. Yeah, I did a good job on that. I don't even think I noticed it. Another journaling spot here. Now here's a little card we made. There's two little ticket size journaling spots, a little pocket, and this pops open, and there's journaling space here, and this is in one of my videos, how to make it. And then it has a journaling card here. All of a sudden I've got a gnat hanging out. It's a little hard to get it in. And that closes, and then this little heart flips over, holds the page closed. And then this little piece here I did, I think this was last week's Roxy creations, and I was able to use the cat for a journal card. I fit it in this little pocket here, and then inside here is journaling space on both these sides here. Okay, so that worked perfect in here because I was just going to put a plain coffee dyed paper, and I'm glad that I got that out of that make that we did with Rachel. Ledger page paper. This is the center, and I did tie the journal with floss instead of you know, like a heavy cord or whatever. I didn't want to make it too bulky. More journaling. Here is the pocket that I made, and there's a video on that. And then here's 2 little journal cards that fit inside there. This pops up and you can journal inside here. And this one pops up and you really can't journal on it because of the, you could write a message on there. You could put a sticker and write something. Inside here is 2 little journal cards that I put. And this says, this journal belongs to, and then you can put whatever you want. If you want to put your name or whatever on there. And then this flips up, and then you've got more journaling space. Okay, so that is that guy. And then here's another other side of that page. And journaling. And this is a pocket that I'm not sure. I think this was a Rachel thing we did. This one, I put this little paper clip because this pocket is very large because it's the kind with the hinges on the side. And it was, you know, unless you stuff it with something heavy duty, smaller cards fall out. When I used one of his tag things to banner to make a top on that. And then on this side is, I just took a piece of paper and ripped it there because this was book page. This one I don't think I made on camera. I think this was separate. I'm going to do this though on one of my videos. Basically it was on a book page that I glued this to, and then the back I put a piece of digital lines, and then I put a little journal card inside here. Okay, so, and that fits up into here like that. And journaling there, and then this side here has a little journal card in it. Yes, and I just put a couple pieces of journaling paper, ledger paper type thing there. And then this pocket here came out of a sticker book, and I love the color, and the owls went with the design. And here's a little tag with the owl on it, and then a couple little journaling cards here. Then inside here I put a journal card. Now this I made with heavy cardboard because I thought this would be great for for instance, you're writing on the back of this. This will make a writing board, which is what I put here, writing board. So now you have a flatter surface to write on, and otherwise it would be kind of lumpy. So that's what I did. This came out of a book, a flower journal. Whoops. That's to catch on. That's an envelope there, so it's to catch on those edges. Okay. And this is part of the folio now. So we have a pocket here and a journal card. And this pocket here with all these little journaling cards, and I put eyelets in them all and tied little string on all of them. Then this opens this way. Oh, I knew I needed another journal card. I cannot do a journal without forgetting one place. So this has little journal cards in here. I did this also on a video. And I have a playlist. So if you go to Autumn Folk, every video that I've done about this journal will be in that playlist, which makes it easier for you guys to find things. And then back here, I have this fold out card, which is journaling all on that side, and then all these tags, which you can journal on back of these as well. I don't think I inked that one. I'm gonna have to go through. I thought I already did go through, but evidently I inked that one. Just missed one. Anyway, so that's that, and that goes in this little pocket here. So that's it. I don't know how many pages were in the journal. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pages. And that's double-sided, so that's a good size. All right, so I will have this listed on my webpage, which is bigcartel.com, bigcartelritajensen.com. And see, I don't really like ties. I'm going to have to, I don't know. Maybe I'll figure out something else. I just kind of liked it because I could hold it in a couple places. And, you know, if you want, you could take some of the items out and it would lay a lot flatter. But I've always made heavy stuffed journals, so here we are. Okay, guys, like I said, just check out my, the link will be in the description for you to get to this. And I hope it goes to a wonderful home soon. Thank you. Bye.